Two students in safety glasses work on a metal lathe, one adjusting a component. Two students stand at a CNC machine, one pressing buttons on the control panel. A close-up shows a hand pressing a button and turning a dial. Two students observe the interior of a CNC machine, which is actively working. A student operates a drill press, working on a large metal disc. A student looks intently at a computer screen displaying machine code. A close-up of a metal flywheel and connecting rod assembly, with students working in the background. An instructor and a student operate a CNC machine, with the student turning a dial. Three students collaborate on assembling a complex metal part on a workbench. An instructor guides two students in assembling a metal component at a workbench. Two students use a hammer to fit together metal pieces. An instructor points to the inside of a CNC machine while a student uses the keyboard. An instructor demonstrates on a lathe to two observing students. A close-up shows a lathe precisely cutting a metal part, creating smooth shavings. An instructor explains a process to two students at a lathe. The lathe continues to cut the metal, producing curled metal shavings. An instructor and two students work at a drill press adjusting a metal part. Hands meticulously adjust a dial indicator on a circular metal component. A hand points to the smooth, finished surface of a machined metal part. Hands hold a metal cube with multiple precisely drilled holes. An instructor shows various finished metal parts to two students at a workbench. A close-up shows hands displaying several intricately machined metal components, each with a unique design.